Well, I mean, we are back. Welcome to the afternoon show. You got myself. And we always got to give Denny the proper introduction, chat, right? We can't just shortchange him on the intro. So we got the man, the myth, the legend, Lemonhead himself.
You did not just call me a
There
damn
he
lemonhead.
There he is.
Oh my God,
chat.
Has he been doing this all day? Has he been doing this all day, chat?
Oh man, there he is, chat. We got him in the building. Denny Dollars loves to holler.
This man.
You know, hey, I mean, as promised, chat. I mean, if you were tuned in to the show yesterday, Denny had way too much fun, chat. He was enjoying, the festivities of it all, trying to go in on Dmoney, and I told him we got something planned for him, so it was only right to get the party started the right way. Welcome to the afternoon show.
Man. It's going to be so sweet showing everybody that picture soon.
Yeah, I know. I can't wait, man.
Ain't no snitch.
I can't wait to debut the picture, chat. So the picture that Denny is hinting at, guys, I've seen the picture. Because Denny Dollars sent me the picture, and I'm well aware of what he has in his arsenal of
he knows one, chat. He knows one. He doesn't know them all.
However, Dmoney has, make no mistake about it, chat. Dmoney has a pretty drastic comeback picture that the chat will definitely enjoy if that picture ever gets released. And you know, I'm watching Denny next week specifically, chat, because he knows that Dmoney will not be streaming, and he knows that towards the end of the week Dmoney will be on a mini vacay, so he may try to debut the picture at that point in time. But make no mistake about it, chat, we know that there's reliable people in the chat that will let Dmoney know.
Ain't nobody snitching. Ain't nobody snitching. They literally just said they ain't a snitch around here.
Yeah, they say that to you right now, Denny, but trust me, sir, I will have a DM with the photo evidence inside of it. So we will see. But nevertheless, guys, we're back. You got Apex accounts right now, 50K accounts, $49 all in. That includes activation. And then you also have 100K, $59 all in as well, 100K account. So using the code PW, we got you covered. So you know the vibes there. Looks like you got about 2 weeks on the current promo for Apex. It got extended. So there it is. And I mean, hey, we're so excited about this price action, guys. We can't wait to show you the charts. We can't wait. So I was talking with Denny before we got on here for the afternoon session, chat. Obviously, I streamed this morning. So would you believe it, chat? Would you believe that we are back inside of the range from this morning? That is very strange and honestly quite concerning that we have not been able to turn a corner, so to speak. But this is where we're at. So it is cray cray with little Ray Ray. Oh man, well, welcome to the afternoon show. Who do we have here kind of rocking out? We got T_Cooks as always. What it do? Midwest BDH trader. EM 691, 2 goats in one. Hey, we appreciate the kind words. We definitely try. So double D's today. Oh man, SB Berto. That is very, very concerning. We got to blame PW and the marketing team for that, because they have fully embraced the double D name around here. It's always funny how everything the marketing team embraces, chat, it happens to be to Dmoney's demise, right? Jerome's shirts and his own hotline, and now you got Denny with the double D's here. This is very strange. But what do we do? You know, who do I complain to, chat, right? I mean, I don't have anybody to talk to around here. It's up for you. So welcome officially to the afternoon show. We got a battle going on, and it is day number 3. And we will, give me a second here. Let me hit Denny with a solo shot, and I'll give you guys, let me log in here and give you guys the update current update on the Legends tournament. So we will not be trading that until 3 o'clock, chat. Power hour.
3 o'clock.
So we're locked
I'm
out.
coming back with vengeance.
We're probably just got unlocked right now, probably, right? So
No, it should not unlock until 3. It took 51 minutes away.
Okay. So yeah, so we'll be trading at 3 to 4 for power hour. Either way, we got you covered. You know the vibes there. Just waiting for my 2-factor to kind of log in here. We'll show you guys the update. Give me 1 second here. Here it is. All right.
Everybody's take the hat off. Having the hat on means you're gonna lose. Good God, everybody just going up against me.
Oh,
man, you missed it last night, Dmoney. If you weren't watching the stream, we absolutely had a blast.
Yeah.
So we were trading this 250K Apex account, right?
Yeah.
And we got literally $1 away from passing. $1. I kid you not. We got in on micros, 2 micros. We entered a long to get $1. We closed it as soon as it hit $3 in profit, and somehow we ended up down $5 instead.
Because of the fees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we get back in, but instead of just 2, we went 6 micros, and it tanked. So I was like, okay, we're gonna add more.
Yeah.
So we added another 10, and it tanked even more. Never coming back up to the entry. It just kept going down and down and down. I kid you not, we were down $4,200 in that trade before it finally came back up, and we got our $1 we needed to pass the account.
So you got it done.
But it took forever. We were 108 contracts in.
Was it I had my daughter last night. I know I was telling you before we started the stream. So was it choppy last night? Because I didn't really look at the
It was very choppy last night. Yeah.
Yeah, let me see here, guys.
It was fun. It was very fun night.
All right, so we got the tournament going on here. We got the competition going on, guys. This is the current leaderboard right now. I'm down 1689. Denny Dollas is down 2891. So we've had a bunch of chop over the last couple of days. We're hoping that today will be different, but unfortunately right now we're in a consolidation range. So I'm not sure if there's going to be solid follow through here, but we're obviously hopeful that we will get a momentum kind of move. So this was just, I mean, to be honest, chop, right? So we'll see how it plays here, guys. And we'll try to go from there, obviously. So kind of cray with little Ray that we haven't had some solid movement here, but what do? You keep punching, chat. Right? You got to keep going. I was telling somebody today, somebody was frustrated that I think they lost an account or something on the chop, and you got to keep going, guys. This is not the time with this kind of crazy price action to kind of beat yourself up, right?
Fun, John. You can't delete that. I saw what you said.
I didn't see what he put.
He said Dmoney keeps faking me in the competition, so now I'm Team Dmoney. And what he meant was I'm faking him, so he's on your team now.
Yeah. Hold on, let me see something real quick.
And look, he just did it again. He messed up again.
Give me 1 second here, guys. Checking something. I don't know why it's not.
No. All right, debate real quick while we're waiting for the market to do absolutely nothing. No, Dmoney, take that off the screen. No, we're not having that.
There it is.
No.
Chat. As promised here.
Oh
right?
my God, you're getting it, Dmoney. It's gonna happen now.
Denny was very. Whoa, sir.
It's gonna happen now.
Denny was very aggressive towards Dmoney yesterday, Chad, and we now, by the way, I did not come up with this post, and by the way, Denny commented on this post, but I do have a guy that knows a guy that is pretty swift with these comebacks here, and that is a full-fledged lemon head, Chad. right? I mean, that is full size. I mean, it is definitely. I mean, that is full of juice there. I mean, that is a that is a full size limit if I've ever seen one, chat. And there it is. And you know, it is very,
oh man,
very concerning. that is. Look at the one overall strap. The other one is not strapped in. It must have been too much juice, kind of drippage from the head there on the other overall strap. But nevertheless, guys, we're just having a little fun here. We know somebody in the chat's gonna tell us to calm down. We're just chilling, guys. We're having a good time. It's all hee hee ha ha. So there it is. But
don't you worry, it's gonna get reported.
You gonna try to take it down?
Oh, try. I'm not gonna try. I'll make it happen. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But Dmoney, yeah, there's gonna be a picture of you. Just you wait now.
Well,
yeah, I can't start the war without there being shots fired back.
Sir, you started it yesterday.
No.
So I mean, you guys are a witness on the stream that if Denny drops his photo, Dmoney will be retaliating, guys. So just a heads up on that. we got one in the stash, waiting for. You gotta love it. But either way, guys, we're just having a good time bobbing out, right? So nothing to kind of report on from a market standpoint. I mean, if you were rocking out this morning, you kind of know the range that we're stuck in. We had some pretty good trades right at the open, and then you had nothing but Port Chop City here. So if you kind of map out to the top of the range, about 98 points or so, the problem is like where's your entry here, right? If you go to the 1 hour chart, you got some kind of, is this previous candle was bullish, but you had some kind of lower high, right? Excuse me, on the current candle. So do we get a sell-off back down here towards the bottom of the range? Like, is that what's happening now, or are we just pushing right back up here?
Well, it kind of looked like a big W formed from the 5th up until now.
Yeah. Let me check something right here. Let me log into this account, guys. So we'll be trading the competition accounts at 3 o'clock, chat. So just a heads up on that. I think just kind of looking here, making sure I'm logged in to the trading account, just in case we see an opportunity for something. Like, is this a short? That's what I'm kind of looking at right now, guys, right? Is this a short kind of forming on the 5-minute chart for bottom of the range kind of play here, back towards the bottom of the range for a quick short opportunity? Maybe you're looking towards like 881 or lower. I think I'm gonna try a short here, guys. Right.
I want to see if we're going to hold below the 900 first, because we keep bouncing back to that whole number.
Yeah, we do, but we'll see if we get followed through here to the downside or not, chat. Kind of nasty range, right? So just looking for a continuation move lower here towards maybe 889 or so. I think that's probably reasonable, right? If they're going to kind of get us down here. Should have at least 10 points for a short to the downside, chat. We'll see.
Oh, no. We got Lucas in the chat.
There he is. Broccoli Head is in the chat. You know that he was going to be present. He was rocking out this morning, chat. There he is. The man, the myth, the legend. Lucas, a.k.a. Mr. Broccoli. So we're short here, looking for 10 points or so. Nothing crazy. 899 down to 889, guys, right? That's what we're looking for here. Kind of range trade. Got pretty close down there. Do they have enough juice to kind of drop us a little lower? Funny how we got right down there and they're kind of stalling.
They said we have a vegetable and a fruit. Almost all the food groups. Y'all are wild.
All right, this candle has 1 minute and 9 seconds, chat. Will we get the continuation down? I mean, it looked like they wanted the bottom of the range. We got down there to what, 893 or something?
Yeah, I think we got to 890. Yeah, 893. And then it bounced right back up.
Yeah, so let's see if we get any kind of continuation here, guys, or they push it right back up. Either way, this is a nasty range, chat. Just be aware that you're not looking for anything crazy, I think, in a range. You're just kind of looking for a few points. So we'll see if we get it or not. It's kind of crazy, like when price is in a range, you're kind of sitting there and it kind of floats, right? Because there's not a huge, you're like, oh, trying to look for 10 points, and it's like pulling teeth to get 10 points sometimes in a range.
See, it's right back above the 900s.
It's choppy, man. Clearly. You had it, right? You had about 5 or 6 points. I think about 7 points actually, right? Needed like 3 more points for a 10-point trade, guys. Let's see if we get a drop here.
We get below the 90s and close below the 90s, then I think we're gonna.
Yeah, I think there's more
to keep going.
Oh yeah, I mean, remember you got 848 and lower down here that could get hit. 30-minute chart, but looking for a quick 10-point trade, guys, for the fellas in the chat, for the homies in the chat here. So let's see if we get it. Got pretty close again there. Just flush that low. Come on, man. It's like right there, guys. Isn't this funny? It's like hanging on by a thread. Oh man,
it's doing the same thing it did yesterday. Again. The same thing it did yesterday.
For 10 points. It's like crazy. It came right down there again. Unreal.
It doesn't want it, Dmoney.
Yeah, I mean, hey, feel free, guys. If you took it off, congrats, right? Because you had like 7 or 8 point. It just would not give me the full 10. It's like crazy here. I don't know.
This week has just been very, very bad.
It's been horrible, man. Outside of like the first like 30 minutes of the market open has been horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think you've had better price action on the afternoon.
Has been pretty good, yeah. But last night was just as bad as today.
I mean, we can always move this down, right? Because if it's gonna drop, man, you got room. I think on the, but kind of crazy, man. Literally wanted 10 points, and that looks like an equal low there. So you got to be careful here, guys. It looks like an equal low, right? 15-minute chart. Let me switch it to the trading view for a second here. Yeah, I can tell already that's an equal low, man. Yeah, that's an equal low, guys, right? So you got to be careful here. If we don't get the flush, I'll probably end up chopping it. So you got an equal low on the 15-minute chart. You don't want to mess around with that, in the consolidation range. They'll push it right back up on you. Kind of unfortunate. We had 7 or 8 points twice, and then they yoke it back up. But that's life in the big city.
Yeah, looking like it's trying to get above the 90 MA here.
Kind of looked like we were towards the top of the range, guys. That's why I went short, and then we had the rejection, right? So we got up here, put in the high, put in the lower high, and then we sell back off, but we're bouncing right back up. So we'll see. Dmoney gives the ladies 40 points plus, but the fellas, he can't even give 7. Yeah, it's like crazy, man. It literally went down there twice and gave like 7 points and pushed right back. Like, all you can do is laugh. And I know there's people that are probably like frustrated guys. That's why I'm like saying it openly. Like, you can't, what are you gonna do, right? I mean, you take the same trades over and over. If they don't print, they don't print. On a choppy day like today, you just gotta laugh, right? Because you've seen that same trade. I've seen that trade work out hundreds of times, to be honest.
Yeah.
And it's just right where you would get the follow through a little lower, and we did not get it. But it's like weird because that's happened for me, I think, probably 10 times over the last couple weeks. I've had 10 points or more. 10 point. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna chop this. I don't like it. Push it back up, guys. Not gonna give it too much more room. I think that's.
It's going now.
Yeah, it's going. Yeah, it's gonna push up to the top. We'll give it a second though. Last time I chopped it and it dropped 40 points. It's crazy, man.
I'm gonna try long up to the high at 924.
All right, sounds like Denny's. You in the long right now?
Yeah, I just got in. My entry was 910.
All right, Denny's in the long from 910, chat. So I'm going to see if we get a rejection back down. I just seen it too many times today, chat, right? Where you get a rejection
There's
right
the
back
rejection back down.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man, I've seen it. It got me like that earlier. I closed the short, and then the next candle dropped, I think 40 points. Right back to the bottom of the range.
Right back down. Yeah, I'm out. I closed it. I'm not gonna risk much on it.
I think we'll put this back at the 10 points, right? See if we get it here.
You trying another short?
It's the same one.
Oh,
yeah,
never got out.
Close. Yeah, I never got out because I was giving it a second to see if it would flush the kind of sweep that high and then drop lower. We'll see. So price is hanging out there, guys, right at that 900 level. That's the level Denny was talking about, right? That is a psychological level. Will we get the flush lower now? Give me my 10 points and get me out of the trade. Put me out of my misery. It's like something.
Give them something, chat. Just give it to a market.
Waiting on PPI data tomorrow morning. Yeah, Kimberly, you do have PPI tomorrow, but I mean, was today really? What did the CPI print bring for us today? Right, a whole bunch of chops. So, I mean, do we really have high expectations for PPI that technically is probably going to have less impact than CPI on the market? Right. I mean, that's how I'm looking at it anyway. I don't have high expectations for that either, because if CPI can't get us going, is PPI really going to get us going? You're right. I mean, like, that's how I'm thinking about it. I don't feel good about it at all, chat. So I think it might be good that Dmoney is got a mini vacay coming up next week, because this price action is not ideal, guys. It's not good at all. So it's basura. I said basura earlier, chat, and somebody was like, "Oh, that means trash." And I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty confident it does. So that is correct about those. So Dmoney's aware of what it means. All right, we have 5 points again. Just give us the flush here. Unreal. We're stuck in like a, what kind of range is this right now, chat? 913. Oh my, we're stuck in like a 15-point range.
Yeah, it's very, very small. Just not wanting to move it much at all.
Welcome to the 15-point range. Currently at the moment, we're short, still holding the same short. Looking for a drop, but will we get it? If you haven't already, guys, do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. We had over 1,000 likes yesterday, chat. We appreciate the support. We don't take it for granted. So you got Tradify accounts right now. You're able to bundle and save 5-pack. It's 40% off. After that, it goes to 30% off. Right? You get basically 5 uses of it,
Yeah.
so you can get 5 accounts, and then it goes to 30%. So, but either way, the code PW is always going to get you the best deal. You know the vibes. Just kind of waiting to see how this thing plays. I mean, give me the 10 points. Come on, man. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise.
Nothing's moving right now.
It's in a
Silver's not
15-point
moving,
range,
gold's not
man.
Moving, ES ain't moving. NQ's not moving.
Came within 2 points of the stock. The TV again. If you're just tuning in, welcome to the range of about 15 points or so. Currently at the moment, right? Something's coming. They won't flush it. Institutions are being bullies. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Is that what it is? I don't know. I'm not even looking for a flush. I'm just looking for a tap of the bottom of the area, right, for 10 points. You had it twice already. You had 8 points or so, 7 or 8 points twice, and then it pushed right back up. So that shows you how tight. This is crazy, man. So if you map out, guys, from like 914 to 889, that's the range right now, right? It's getting tighter. Dmoney, do the corn dog dance and we'll dump. Yeah, we're gonna do the corn dog dance right now, Harry. And what kind of name? Harry 5 Skin. We have given you a timeout before, sir. We remember your username. So we're gonna have you do the corn dog dance, Mr. 5 Skin, in the timeout room. Come back and do better.
No,
simple as that.
You can't give him a timeout.
Oh yeah, we gave him a timeout. So do better. On real chat.
Damn, Harry.
Timber, he's a repeat offender. Yeah, he definitely. I remember his username. So, yeah. I mean, right back up here, guys. I mean, you gotta love it, right?
You can't do nothing about this.
Yeah, you had 8 points or so multiple times, and they refused to give you that extra 2 points. So you gotta laugh here and call it what it is. They will not break it down. Kind of bouncing right off that level. Let me check the
9-10s again.
Yeah. You gotta love it, guys. I mean, it is quite the eventful kind of move here, or eventful day, I should say. They will not go lower. So, and then you get long up here and they push it right back down. So then you're trapped. So
it's playing literally the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA are in between the middle of these 5-minute candles right now. It's just staying in between them.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, guys, right? It's a whole bunch of nothing right now. Simple as that. So we tried. I gave it time. I gave it multiple kind of attempts to kind of get the 10 points, and we did not get it. You had 7 or 8 twice. Even sounds funny to say that, right? Because it's like,
what can we do? It's stalling again.
All right, let's see. You got a minute, 21 seconds left on the current candle. Double bottom on the hourly, yeah. I mean, I saw, I do see on the hourly chart that you have like, I mean, you're saying double bottom. I mean, I see a low of the previous candle. I don't know about a double bottom. Let me see on 1 hour chart. I see a higher low at the moment. Is that what you mean? I don't know. Everybody's definitions are a little different.
I'd love for us to dump back down to 819.
It's like crazy, man.
Just give us some movement,
telling
NASDAQ,
you.
please. This is terrible. Very, very terrible.
Until Denny takes the hat off, it won't move. Just warn us before, please.
Nah. I ain't taking the
Scalp
hat
trades.
off. I ain't taking the hat off.
What do you guys say? Have him take it off? We get a move here? Is that what's holding us back, chat?
It's not happening.
Oh, man. We need the limit.
I'll take the hat off when it comes to the bottom of the range so I can long it. That way I can get in the trade.
Yeah, because see, that's the problem, right? You getting up top now on a breakout,
Yeah.
and it's ranging.
There's no telling what it's going to do.
Yeah, you
It
don't
can
know.
literally come right back
It
down.
can come right back down, man. That's the thing. Because that's the thing in a range chat, right? Your entries are important. Like, so if you're trading a range as a breakout, technically you don't buy the top of the range, you buy the bottom of the range. So it's like crazy.
Hey, big brother, man, I do need help. Help me out. Get him for me.
Oh man, he's in the chat. We gave him a timeout this morning.
That's probably why he's willing to help me so much right now.
Yeah, well, the kind of help that Big Brawley man is offering you, sir, you need to think twice about that.
I'll
that
take
help.
the help. I'll take the help.
Well, there he is. So Big Brawley man, you can gravitate now towards Denny Dollars.
Big Brawley help doesn't come free. Hey,
That is
I
correct.
think it's free because
That
he
is
decided to give Dmoney a timeout this morning. So I think Dmoney's looking for revenge just as much as I'm looking for revenge.
All right, you got a nothing burger here, chat. I mean, simple as that. So maybe they push it higher. I don't know, right? The thing is, though, I'm not gonna chase. I wouldn't even chase the long up here just based off of how
Are
I
you still
trade.
in that trade?
Yeah, I'm still. Yeah, because I mean, it's like you're still holding, dude.
There's nothing you can do.
It is what it is, right? Bunch of nothing kind of going on here. Am I long? Yeah, I'm in a long. I'm in a long right now, chat. No, I'm in a short. So you can see it on the screen, right? So I'm in a short. Yeah, got short at 8.99. Right below 900, and we're stuck in a tight range. So simple as that. It's like in prison when someone offers you protection, you're gonna pay for it in a bad way. Diddy happily volunteered for Big Brawley man's assistance, and it was very, he didn't hesitate at all. Yeah, I mean, this thing is pushing here, guys, a little, right? But it rejected the last time it was up here. So if it kind of goes higher, I think up here towards 15 or so, I'll chop it. Not gonna hold that.
Just some
Kind of refusing to break down, right?
Yeah.
So that's, I mean, you got to acknowledge that it's refusing to break down. I'm gonna go ahead and close it, guys. I'm done, right? I mean, I don't think there's any need to kind of hold that anymore. So we gave it enough time, I think. You had 7 or 8 points twice, and that was it, clearly. So just magical how... Isn't it funny how you can time the low when you don't get out of a trade, right? That's the low. Like, put it... That was the low. And then they push it right back up. So I think we just chop it, right? It is what it is. So if you're tuning in now... You have not missed anything since to be honest, I ended the stream at basically 12:30 or 12:40 or so, right? Because we're kind of, and the funny thing now, guys, I'm not even we're gonna do this because I don't even think we look at the whole entire range anymore. I think we look at the range that we're in at the moment, because it's so bad that you almost need to shrink it to the current range that we are in, guys. We know we had a lot of consolidation earlier, right? But we need to kind of shrink this down, I think, to this range. This is the current range. And then that way we got context to what we're kind of looking at here. You got roughly total about a 34-point range, chat, 35-point range that we're stuck in. We've been stuck in this range since 12:40. So literally 2 hours. So the sad part is we've seen this multiple times in the afternoon session where you get stuck for a couple hours and then you finally get movement. So it's crazy, man. So we'll see. We got the competition coming up here. It kind of sucks. Like the only thing I don't like this week, chat, with the competition is that we've had Basuda price action, right? The price action has been a womp. So it's kind of like you know, it's been nothing but chop. So that's the only thing I'm like a little disappointed in, that we haven't gotten like some decent movement in the afternoon for the competition. But it is what it is. You haven't missed anything since the first 1 minute candle at 9:30. Yeah, I mean, we had I was telling Denny that we had some pretty good trades similar to yesterday, chat, right? We had really good trades right at the market open, momentum trades, and then the market just fell asleep, went into hibernation. So I mean, died. Simply, that's what it was. So we got a poll coming up here for Power Hour. We're gonna drop that now. See how you guys are feeling going into Power Hour. So
it's finally broke above that range. Went and created a new high now. About time.
All right, so let's see. Give me 1 second.
Is this where we continue higher and go up to these next levels at 963?
All right, guys, you got 3 options coming through in the chat. Get your vote in. There it is.
That's not true, sir.
Sir, I don't
that's
know.
That's not true.
Sir, I remember yesterday you had a pretty interesting comment on the poll, the Power Hour poll. You thought I forgot? Dmoney never forgets. I never forget, chat. Yeah, all right. You gotta break out candle on the 5 minute chart. 29,910 up here, about 20 plus points, right? Couldn't go lower. Clearly, it didn't want lower. And then right back inside the range. Let's see how this thing kind of plays out. But that was your breakout. See, it kind of sucks because if you map out from like 1030, that's the rejection kind of like area too. So we'll see. But currently right back inside the range, guys. Get your vote in. You got 3 options for the poll if you have not seen them. You got uppers, dumpers, or Denny has always been bald. So get your vote in. Very concerning that 37% of the chat, they feel like Denny has always been bald. It just simply never grew at all since birth.
They're crazy. I literally showed them a picture of me as a kid.
Oh, man. If you guys were here yesterday, Denny took some jabs at Dmoney in the Power Hour poll. So it's only right that we got him back. I mean, I'm just saying. Right back inside the range, guys. I mean, it's like unreal. You got Lucid accounts right now. Daily loss limit add-on is an option, chat. Using the code PW is always going to get you the best deal. So you got the Pro Flex and the daily account, the newly launched daily account where you're able to add on daily loss limit as an option. So, you know the vibes.
I might be buying some of those myself.
Yeah, the daily account. I like the daily account. So, I mean, you already know I'm a fan of I prefer the flex accounts, guys. But when that daily account dropped, I think that for me is the best account. I mean, I know people.
Did it for you?
Yeah, like some people don't. I mean, obviously, now in full transparency, chat. Yeah, you can get payouts quicker on the flex, right? Because you make $1,000, you can withdraw technically $500 on the flex account, right? Because it's 50% of the minimum payouts. Minimum payout is $500. So you make $1,000 on the flex, you're able to pull out $500, but you get above the buffer on the daily account and you're able to take out daily payouts, minimum $500 of course, but 50K account, you make $2,100, you know, the next day you make $500, you're obviously able to pull out that minus the 10% profit split. So
yeah.
Doesn't Lucid Daily have funded intraday? Yes. The answer to that, it's getting above the buffer. Kind of help you out, but all right. Well, you see what we're dealing with here, chat. It is not hard to explain.
It's terrible. It's terrible price
Chop
action.
City. So got the competition coming up here in about 15 minutes. I hate to say it, but it is looking like Chop Suey. So if you haven't already, hit the like button, guys. We got 2,000 plus people rocking out here. We don't take that for granted. We appreciate the support.
I'm gonna try to short down to 900s.
Top of the range to the bottom.
Yeah.
Denny short here, looking for the 900 bottom of the range kind of trade here, chat. Shorting from the top, trying to get to the bottom. Yeah, that's literally the only way you can kind of trade this right now.
So if it'll go.
I'm short from 925. Nice. Yeah, I mean, top of the range to the bottom. That's all you got right now. How many, where's your you're looking for 900? Or?
Yeah, looking for 900. My entry was 913. I'm giving it a 7-point stop. So if it comes back up to 920, I'm getting out.
All right, he said he's out at 920, guys. If it pops 920.
That's 920.
Yeah, just hit it.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm telling you, man.
I hate this day. Oh my God.
Nothing but chop here. I mean, you look at the 15-minute candle, chat. That is a very strong previous 15-minute candle, right? Kind of bounce off the 14 EMA. That's telling you that there's some strength in the market. It looks like to the upside because you just took out the high of all these previous 15-minute candles. But why are we, right? So are we gonna slowly inch higher? You got out and then now it's dropping, dude.
I see that.
That's how it is. It's crazy, man.
I'll catch it on the long back up.
Yeah, if it comes down, yeah, you might have a long. And that's what I'm kind of hinting at, guys, right? That previous 15-minute candle, you know, I mean, it wiped out how many previous candle highs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 7, right? Because of, yeah, counting that candle. So you had 7 15-minute candle highs that just got taken out to the upside. So that's some strength in that previous 15-minute candle. The question is, will you get followed through now to the upside? If they're able to take us higher, you got obviously 30,000 up here that you would have to think is a level of interest. I mean, that's the psychological level, right? There's no other way to kind of think about it, in my opinion. That level could be in jeopardy of getting hit, right? Ideally. So, you know what would be funny if Power Hour or MOC is for the last couple of days, you've had some volatility in that MOC time. So is that what's going to get us there today, right? Meaning that the momentum. Let me check. Is there earnings? Is there anybody on the calendar, chat? Today's the 12th. Double checking real quick. Yeah, I don't see anybody crazy with earnings here coming up here today. So it looks like there's 148 corporations reporting after the bell, so I'm just double checking this real quick. You got Jack in the Box. You got a few other companies, right? But nothing. Got Virgin Galactic reporting 405. All right, well, we'll see.
Setting a video report soon.
NVIDIA, yeah. NVIDIA, it's not going to be yet, though. So if you kind of go here, you can always tell. NVIDIA is coming up on August 26th, Chad. You got some time for NVIDIA. So you got Walmart on the 20th. Right, a few of these other companies, Salesforce on the 26th. So it's gonna you're gonna have some big kind of movement come in from an earnings standpoint, but it's I think about a week and a half or so. So you got some time on that. So, but see how you got to push down 909, now to push right back up in this range. Fun, John. NVIDIA's 826. Yeah, that's what I was just saying, right? Looks like they're on the 26, chat. Got a 5-minute candle, kind of like top of the range. This is nasty, man. I don't know. I don't know if I remember a time where it's been
this bad.
This bad, man. Somebody said summer price action. Yeah, is that what it is? Who knows? Now they're going to break the highs. It looks like right on that 5-minute candle, 29,920. You got the 1-hour candle getting ready to close out in about 8 minutes, 26 seconds, guys.
Then we get to the real fun. I hope it starts moving at 3 o'clock.
Hopefully, man.
This is brutal.
It is weird that we've seen most of the expansion during the overnight. Yeah, and see, and that's the thing, chat, right? Like, it's like, I know Denny was talking about, he's had, sounds like last night it wasn't great price action, but I know over the last few days he's had some, sounds like some decent price action. So we've been getting chop suey after that kind of initial opening range trade. It's like funny how that plays out, right? Or, you know what's more frustrating is that they'll pump it like before 9:30 and then you get the chop.
Yeah.
At 9:30, like you're watching it at like 9:15, just shoot up like 100 points. You're like, oh man. Like,
I was gonna say, I've been seeing that London session has been moving very, very nice during during London.
Yeah.
Recently,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like you said, it just cycles through.
Yep.
Sometimes Asia's good, sometimes London good, sometimes New York is good.
That's what it is, man. New York has become the do not trade session for me so far. 305. Hard to not log in since the volume is there, but I will try my best to stay away from it going forward. Yeah, I mean, but the thing is, just like kind of like to the point that we're trying to make, chat. It's not going to stay that way forever, though, right? At some point, you will get the continuation moves during the U.S. session. And when we say that, we're not saying just from like 9:30 to 9:45, right? And it's looking like a rejection here so far. So do they come back down here towards 29,890? That is the question. So
it's just these small ranges at this time. You have to go 5 points at a time. Just
which is like money. Ridiculous.
Yeah,
it's not even like, I mean I had 7 points, remember, and that's all it gave. All right, I'll give you about 30 seconds, chat, trying to get at least 500 votes for the poll. So we're at 478 right now. So get your vote in, trying to see how you guys feel kind of going into power hour. Is it going to be a power hour, chat, or is it going to be a lack thereof, right? So we just hit 500 votes. So we will close the poll out. You will see the results coming through the chat right now. So it looks like 43% uppers, 37% feels that Denny has always been bald, and 20% they feel like the market's going to drop. So there it is. Look how nice that price action is from 1:30 a.m. That's what Denny was just saying, though. He's saying like the overnight session, right? It's like it looks beautiful. And then you know what happens, guys? You go to trade it, and then it's a chop fest, right? You wake up to go trade it, and you get caught in the chop. You blew your accounts, and then now all of a sudden you can't trade market open.
It's like someone said, as soon as I got off last night, it just started going up from there and just straight up. Yeah, I've been noticing that a couple streams now. Every time I get off, that's when the movement starts happening.
Let's try a quick short here, guys. Looking for 10 points. It looks like a top of the range, bottom of the range kind of trade, but will we get follow through down? We'll find out here, right? So this was a level that we keep bouncing from, so got to be a little strategic there. You might only get like 5 points. It's crazy. You got the battle going on at 3 o'clock. I hope that it's a true power hour.
Sir, I might
1 hour candles bearish.
I might just get Ingatrig and hold it for the entire time.
I mean, that's all you got, because it's like
it's not
it's no movement, very minimal movement. Let me say that, because somebody's like, oh, price is moving. You know how it is. So it's moving, but it's very minimal movements here, chat. You get 5 points, 6 points or so, and then it pulls back the opposite direction if your entry is not kind of like right at the top of the range.
This would be like scalper's paradise. People love to scalp.
I love the scalp, man, but like 5 points is like...
That's why you have to go more heavy cons.
Yeah.
It's risky. See, I mean, like I was telling
you. Yeah, and then you get chopped, right? You go heavier, then you get chopped.
I was going to say, like I was telling chat before, that's what I used to do, is just scalp, and that's it.
Yeah.
And I was winging, but I was losing more than I was winging. And it's just something I did not like doing anymore. Yep, here we go.
All right.
Get your 10 points.
Can we get 10 points, guys? Drop the W's if you took that. Looking for 10, I'm going to chop it. I'm not even going to wait, chat. Right? We know that it's been a womp kind of. You got so close again there. Right at what, 8 points, Denny, or 9 points?
Yeah.
You got to be kidding me, man. Give us the 10 points here. For the guy, there it is. We will happily close that trade, guys. We're not even gonna hesitate anymore. Just close that thing out.
He's
it is. Just get it out. Get off the screen. Like it's just.
It's so bad.
Chad, it is. Right, just close it out. We're not even gonna give it any kind of. Now the thing is, we're back at the bottom of the range. Interestingly enough, so. Will that kind of spearhead us to go lower? Because it's honestly kind of interesting that we're kind of down here, right? But if you took that trade, drop the W's in the chat. You got paid. If you paid it, you got slayed. Funny thing is, you got the drop continuation.
Oh, man, look at that.
Yeah,
it finally continued.
Yeah, man. There it is. There's the break, and I'll probably go right back. There it is, right back inside of the range.
It broke both sides and went right back in. It said, "Are we done with this?" No, we're not done with this yet. Gotta love it.
We got Jimbo in the chat. He said, Dmoney, I watched some of your interview on Tradeify. Hey, I appreciate that. Yeah, I've had a lot of positive feedback, guys. I'm glad that sounds like people are getting some value from the Tradeify podcast funded interview. So I tried to keep it real in the field. So
they just posted it, right?
Yeah, posted it yesterday. All right, well, I mean, we're getting ready for Power Hour. You saw the results of the poll. Did she take you to Olive Garden? No, she did not.
She should have.
Stump Gold 3. But we will take you to Olive Garden right now, which is AKA the timeout room, sir.
No. You heard him. He says he's taking you to Olive Garden.
No, he's not.
He wants you. He wants to take you to Olive Garden. Don't you worry.
That is a 10-second timeout. There it is. So. Oh man, all right guys, let me gotta log into the Legends account here.
You're telling me you're not logged in already yet?
Nah,
sir?
I wasn't logged in because I was logged into, that was a Lucid account. Sir, I was locked out. How can I be logged in?
You can log in, you just can't trade it.
Sir, well remember for you it's easier over there because you're not streaming, so you don't have to show, like, you know what I mean? I only got one trade evade open.
Oh, you don't have multiple tabs open?
Nah, only got one open. All right, so we're logging in. I'm logging in now. It sounds like Denny's already logged in, chat.
I got to get ready for the short.
This guy, man, already logged in. All right, I'm logged in here. So, do we have more downside, chat? I am watching that, kind of keeping Denny on his toes.
On my toes.
Click to that screen. Keep him nervous, chat. Click them over to keep him nervous. He didn't know if I was in trade. Oh man! All right, so the rules of the trading battle, chat. We got a $25,000 account. You have the full balance to trade with if you have not caught any of the competition this week. It's been a chop fest though, right? Because we're trading 3 to 4, but the reality is you got the full balance to trade with, and may the best trader win. I mean, simple as that. So we do have to call out our trades, so there can't be any funny business going around. We need to know when you're in the trade.
Need to know when I'm in a trade. Whoa.
Yeah, and we hear some clicking over there as we speak, chat. We don't know what that's about, but
nah, that was me closing the other trade evade. Promise, chat. I'll let you know when I'm in a trade.
When you say points, are you referring to ticks? Will someone answer my question? Yeah, you don't have to put it in all caps, Sharon, but yeah, so points are literally points. So you could call it a tick as well. That is correct. So if you trade at 4x, maybe you're from the 4. I used to trade 4x, and a lot of that kind of terminology is kind of different, right? We used to say pips instead of points, but right now if you look at current price, right, you're looking at, like, see our price is at 898.75, so 1 point would be 899.75, right? 1 full point, $20. You get $20 a point on NQ on a mini. So
see if we bounce
4 ticks
off
and a point. Yeah, that's correct.
See if we bounce off the bottom of the range again.
Yeah, I like. Is this a short kind of brewing here, guys? Do I have another? I just had a short, but is this a short here, bottom of the range kind of deal? And then all of a sudden we drift lower. Kind of watching that. Yeah. Now you don't. You got people are dropping like the correct info in regards to the ticks, guys. You don't have to, if you want to kind of look at ticks, you can. You can also just look at points. You know, don't stress yourself out, right? I mean, that's how I do it anyway. I don't try to figure out the whole tick rule or calculation. I look at points. Simple as that. I know, you know, if I'm giving one mini as an example, sharing a 10-point stop loss, I'm risking $200. So. Right? Simple as that. Love the music. Hey, we appreciate the kind words.
Give us some movement here.
Got a possible short kind of brewing. It looks weak, chat. Do we get more follow through here to the downside, or is this a fake out to kind of trap some bears? And then they yoke us back higher. Ticks and points are so confusing. Yeah, that's why I'm saying stick with points. Right? If you need help, Sharon, you can trading view. You see my left-hand side of the screen where the cursor is. You can add this price range cursor. And if you want to map out like the range of a candle, it'll literally tell you like how many points, right? 12.75 points, it's et cetera, right? You can kind of map that out that way. So there's different ways around it till you get used to it. It looks weak. Is this a short, chat? Do we try a short here?
I am.
And put Denny out of his misery.
Put me out of my misery, sir. That ain't happening. I don't get put out of my misery here.
Would be nice to see this 5-minute close as a hammer to go lower. Well, I mean, give us anything to go lower. I don't care if it's a hammer or yeah, we need something though. I agree, because the reason why you got to be a little cautious here, chat, you're at the bottom of the range, right? And this has mysteriously somehow kind of held up every time we get to the bottom of the range.
Every single time.
So you need to be aware of that. And then when there's lower volume in the market, it tends to respect those support levels even more. So, but we're getting a bit of a rejection here. You got 8 seconds left. See, like, I mean, that's not even.
What is this?
That's not a bearish closure, guys. But let's see if it, right. They might want to dig into this top wick up here towards 902. Thanks, Dmoney. That will help. Thanks for answering. Oh yeah, without a doubt.
Yes, the Steelers game is on tonight. We will be watching that. Don't you worry. Who said anything about trading? Trading's not important.
Preseason?
Yeah, preseason.
Yeah. Light volume, I don't know, man. If you didn't hit the top of the range, I wouldn't, unless it clearly breaks the with volume. Oh yeah, without a doubt. But I mean, we're literally saying the same thing, right? That we bounce from here. It feels like a million times from the bottom of the range. You had an attempt here, you had an attempt here, you had an attempt here, you had an attempt here to go lower. They couldn't do it. So yeah, it's bouncing right back up. Denny's in some kind of trade over there, guys. I hear him clicking.
Not in any trade. You can come.
I'm gonna try a quick long here, guys. Is this thing like delayed here? What's going on with the? One second.
I am gonna try a short here now.
So it did not fire my trade. Give me 1 second here, guys. I'm not logged in here. No, I think I clicked on the wrong one. Hold on. Yeah, I was on the wrong. I was on. Sorry about that, guys. I was on Blue Sky and not Trading View, so it did not fire, and I probably would have had a few points there.
Oh, Steelers play tomorrow. Today's not the 13th. I thought today was the 13th.
All right. I mean, I think, are you in a short?
Yeah, I'm in a short.
What was your entry?
902. I wanted to come back down to the 90s, bottom of the range. Stay below the 9 EMA and 21 EMA.
One contract or two?
Two. Sir, I got to come back. I got to come back.
I'm not in anything right now. It didn't fire. I actually opened up Blue Sky, and I would have been up a few points. That's the crazy part because he had a pop, but... I mean, I don't know yet, guys. For me, I don't want to get short yet. I think you might have some trickery kind of going on, and then they shoot this thing right back up. You feel like it's going lower, and they say, no, sorry, Bob.
I mean, that's why I'm only going for 10 points. Like, let it come back down to the 90s, and I'll get out. Got to take the wins when you can.
Somebody said they just took the 10-point long. Yeah, nice. It's still fighting. Oh, it's been a fight all day. Like, what are we saying here? It's been a fight all day. I would just love a break here, guys, right? 885, and then I melt it straight down, but it's not happening yet, so we'll see. I have 150 requests. I have to look through them. What's the first characters of the user? What? Corn Dog Capital, what are you talking about? Somebody sent you a film request? Let's try a long here, guys. See if we get a pop. Only one contract, though. Not going crazy here. Do they give some trickery, or do they finally flush? I think we're going to have an answer here either way, right? We're either going to get a push back up and kind of trap some bears, or the real move to the downside's coming. So because if we can't hold the bottom of that range, there could be some kind of bleed out here. So kind of like low volume kind of thought process. We've bounced from here multiple times, but it's not holding at the moment, so we'll see.
Come on, just give it to me. I need 2 points. That's all I need. Is just not giving it to me. All right. There it is. There it is. All right. Take the 10 points. Run away. Nah, I took the 10 points, guys. Entry was 902. Got 892. 10 points. 2 cons. $400. Happy. Might continue to flush here.
Yeah, I mean, if it does, then I'll look for something else, right? Not looking too great for the long here. Yeah, you got a rejection, guys. We'll chop it. So we close that trade, and you're getting a flush. So is this it? Is this the move that we wanted to the downside here? Or are they going to yoke it right back up?
Right back into it. The 5-minute candle. Come on, close out of the range. Close out of it.
Man, if it close out, I'm going. I can tell you right now.
I'll go short and hold it for the rest of the day.
You know I'm going short.
I'll hold it for the rest of the day.
Yeah, if it closes down here, guys, below the range, I got to try a short. So
yeah, I'm going back short now.
Yeah, I agree.
See if we can get down to the VWAP at this point.
But I'm only one contract in, guys. I'm not gonna go 2 contracts, just in case there's some chop suey here, and they yoke it back inside the range. That's what the play has been today. So you know it's easy to get chopped. And I didn't wait for a candle closure, right? So you got to be aware of that. Didn't wait for a candle closure. So
here we go. Let's come down to the VWAP now. That's crazy. We got the same entry, Dmoney.
884.
884.50.
That's funny, man. What's the odds of that? All right. I mean, can we get a continuation move, chat? That's what we're hopeful for here. I'm 1 contract in, not 2. I think you would have at least until 844 or lower. If they're really going to melt it, right? You would figure probably at least a tap of that EMA, but we'll see.
So you're on the 1 hour?
Yeah, that's the 1 hour chart. You can see it on the 15-minute though as well. You got like the 50 EMA at 851, so that's close enough, to be honest.
I might scrap this. Yeah, the 1 minute is looking like it wants to turn up from here.
Yeah, see, no follow through, guys, so far, right? All right, so where are we at on the 5 minute? So you got 1 minute and 35 seconds left. And what they've been doing is they'll put in a low and then they'll yoke it right back up inside the range, it kind of chopped some people. So you out or you still?
No, I'm out. I don't like it.
You close it?
Yeah, I went and looked at the 1 minute time frame, and it looks like it's trying to go back up.
Yeah.
What up, Breezy from Blue Sky in the chat?
Oh, what it do? What it do? You got Blue Sky right now. That is correct, Demondo. 30% off using the code PW. We got you covered. You know the vibes.
He said, I like trading. Okay, well, that's nice to know. And here might come the flush for you.
Yeah, still holding. Stop will be up there. You know what I mean?
See, I just don't like that. They're coming right back up.
All right, there's the 4. All right, so there's the 5 minute candle closure, guys. Close bearish, right? So let's see if we get followed through to the downside here. Got to be careful with this. I think you move this down, protect it a little bit. 891. You got a small stop here. If it pops those highs, you're gonna be out. Everything is getting retraced, guys, right? There's no follow through, like kind of movement down. It pops the high of the previous candle and goes higher. So that's the only thing that you don't like here, right? Look right back up. See? Unreal. Looking like it's gonna take out that was right. So we're right back inside the consolidation range again, guys. Every single time. You got to get short higher and kind of ride it, because if not, it is a dunzo kind of deal. Just reclaimed it, right? Just reclaimed the previous candle high. It's like every break has gotten a retracement so far. Simple as that. Yep.
This is awful. Very, very awful.
Yeah, right back inside the range. We're going to chop it, guys. We're not going to hold it. So we'll take the small loss, 10-point loss or so, 11 points or whatever it was. So you felt like it should have went right and kind of continued. Maybe they reject it now off the 14. I don't know, right? The 900 level. But I mean, straight consolidation. You had a breakout candle closure below it. Push it right back up, pop the previous high, and then now maybe it bleeds. Might try one more time here, guys, to be honest. I think I'm gonna try one more time. Higher, right? Since we're higher.
No, I'm not gonna.
Stop would be 904, guys. If it pops 904, I'm out. Give it about 10 points.
Said bad week for a competition for sure.
Yeah, it's just choppy. There's no
hey, Dmoney, just come join Asia with us. We'll trade Asia for competition. Don't you worry. Right? Yeah, I'm waiting, guys. I'm not in no position at this point. Asia was garbage yesterday. Yes, it was.
Yeah, but it was pretty good a couple days before that, though, right?
Yeah, it was good Monday or Sunday and Monday. Bad Tuesday.
Yeah.
Hoping tonight will be good, but I know we got news in the morning as well.
Mm-hmm.
You said good session last night. No, we just made the best out of the worst situation. That's all it was. Kayla, Asia ends at 12 p.m. Eastern. It does not continue to 1 a.m. 1 a.m. to like 3 is just a blank space. Oh, look at there. Dmoney, is it true that you declared for the WNBA draft? You going out to try for WNBA?
Oh man, here we go.
Oh,
here
man,
we go.
He's going out there to meet his fan.
Chat, you see how Denny.
Player.
So don't forget this, chat. You see how Denny's egging it on, right? He's egging it on. Unreal, unreal, chat. Unreal. You got Big Brawley, man. We're gonna have to give him a timeout for being unruly in the chat here, guys. So try to give him a little grace, but I think that has ran out. There's a 5-minute timeout. Come back and do better, sir. So we're in a trade here. You're trying to talk about the WNBA.
You tapped him out for a long time. That's messed up. Oh my God.
Oh man.
No,
right,
not
so
Big Brawley.
Can we get at least 10 points here on the flush, guys? There it is, right at 10 points, right? All right. We'll take that. Come on down, Cletus. Come on down, Cletus.
As your win or your
Come
loss
on
back.
down, Cletus.
Yank it back up real quick. Come on, NASDAQ. Yank it back.
All right, you got 15 points for
Yank
the
it
homies
back.
in the chat. We'll take that, guys.
Don't give it to him. Yank it back real quick.
Man. All right. Well, there it is. You had a 15-point winner there. Made back the loss on the previous trade.
He said mute, dingy. No, we don't mute. Here, we'll mute you, though. Don't you worry.
If you took that short, drop it in the chat. You got paid if you faded. Use the code PW. We got you covered. Don't you worry. Oh, man.
Just
I think there's
now.
more, guys. Yeah, here it is, right? I think there's more downside. It's melting. You gotta love it. She gone.
See if we stay above the VWAP here, though. Maybe we push right back up.
Nah, I think we're I mean, we might for a retracement, but I think we go lower, dude. Right? I mean, look at all these top wicks up here. I think it's a delayed drop. Simple as that. I think they've been propping it up. So this 5-minute candle, chat, you got 2 minutes 56 seconds on it. That range has been broken to the downside. This in theory, this is the confirmation candle, right? That's the funny part on the 5-minute chart. Because you had the close below the range, you had a retracement to the range, and then now the continuation lower telling you that it's time to get short, probably, right? So
I want to see if we get a pullback to the 80s real quick, and then I'll try a short down.
Ronald says 2,400 watching, but only 450 likes. Yeah, if you haven't already, guys, do us a solid, hit the like button. We appreciate the support. We had 1,000+ likes on the afternoon show yesterday. We would love to keep that streak alive, guys. So if you haven't already, do us a solid, hit the like button. 2,400+ people. The math is not mathing, so.
God, no, it's gonna keep coming down.
It looks bearish, man. It looks heavy to me, anyway, right? It looks heavy, so. We'll see if
I think I'm about to try a short down. I want to pull back. I just want to pull back first.
I'm gonna wait for this candle probably to close.
Don't leave without us. Actually, leave without D-Money. Don't leave without me.
I know, right? Oh man. Finally, it broke out of the range. Yeah. It broke. Yeah, it did finally. So we'll see if we get follow through.
You know
here.
what's crazy though? It's only 20 points out of the range.
Oh, it's a joke.
It's only 20 points
It's
out
a
of the range,
joke.
and we're so happy about
Yeah,
it.
that's how bad it is though.
That's so bad.
Like celebrate that it's you're having a party because it's 20 points out of the range. I'm gonna be long once it taps 846. All right. I mean, that's good to know. So thanks for keeping us informed.
So is there going to be a battle between the West and East Coast? I'm sure there eventually will be. Me and Dmoney going to have to hold it down and show the West Coast that just because they knew they ain't hot shit.
Hi, cutie. I miss you this morning. Milkshake to the yard 21. Yeah, we're not quite sure what's going on there. Pretty sure
they're saying hello.
Yeah, we're pretty sure that is a guy, chat. So
all right. Yep. This is showing me more downside.
all right. So do we add another short, guys? I need a retracement probably up first, and then try to short this thing towards the opening range.
Nah.
Level of 853.
I'm gonna go ahead and try this short.
You in right now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Entry's at 670.
I want a little bit more push up, but we'll see. Denny short from where?
From 870. I'm holding till 800.
All right, Denny short from 870, guys. Holding, he said, until 800. So I just feel like they're gonna try to push it up, but we'll see.
I'm fine with that as long as it doesn't come back up to 890s. Give it a 20-point stop. Yeah, Kayla, Asia is from 8 to 12, and London is from 3 to 11.
How many times do I have to say I'm a girl? Oh, okay. All right. Well, we don't have any evidence of that.
Look at you over here banging a girl. What's wrong with you?
We don't. How do we know? We're not trying to be
Didn't you say you're all for the ladies and you over here banging them? It says short in the VWAP. No bueno. Okay. Guys, I short, y'all say I'm doing the wrong thing. I long, I'm doing the wrong thing. So I don't know what the hell. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. Let me just not trade. How about that? I just won't do anything anymore. Just riding in the close. Hey. Nah,
I mean, you've had MOC volatility, right? I mean, a couple back-to-back days.
Yeah.
So is that the play today?
I might as well just riding in the close. The
VWAP has been holding from today, though. Yeah.
No, I'm not going to yell. I don't want to scare Dmoney, all right?
I mean, I like the shorts, guys. Like I said, I just wanted something a little more convincing, right? Maybe get back below 862, and then you try to ride it down. Simple as that. But 15-minute candle, you got 2 minutes left. I mean, it's melting. Yeah. It is melting, guys. I mean, I would be shocked if the opening range 853 doesn't get hit, right? I think we try it, guys. We get short.
Oh, whoa. Now you want to follow me.
I was going to be short anyway. I was waiting for a retracement, sir. It's live on the stream. I mean, I can't. We're not making this up. You had the rejection already of the and a wick. I wanted a wick kind of form, guys, on a 5-minute candle. We got it, but will it hold up here? You two deep or one deep?
I'm 2.
All right, Denny's 2 contracts deep over here. He's big money, so he is not playing around. He got the hat off as well, so you know he got serious here, chat, with the hat off. I'm not gonna go large here because there could easily be a yoke. We've seen that multiple times, so I would rather kind of minimize the loss, if that makes any sense. If it doesn't go,
yeah, it's serious time, guys. Time to get down to the at least, what was the next low I had?
nothing wrong with being vertically challenged.
Who said that?
See,
Who said that?
See, this is what you. Nobody, sir.
Uh-huh.
Focus on the trade.
Yeah.
Focus on the
Okay.
trade.
Yeah. Okay.
Focus on the trade, sir.
Uh-huh.
On the real, chat, he's trying to go after. We're not gonna let him attack you guys. Don't worry.
I'll find a comment. Don't you worry.
He's ready to put you in the headlock, apparently. So.
KG left coast. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna give you a
see.
timeout, sir. We'll see you back in a little while.
No break. No break here, guys. Push right back up. What time is it? About to be 3:30. You got a new 30-minute candle. You got about 17 seconds on that candle, chat. This is the 30-minute chart that I'm kind of showing you right now. You're not getting the flush lower. My entry on that trade was 857. So here's a new candle. 30-minute chart. Let me just flip there on this. See if we get a flush here.
What up, Joey?
I think it needs to go now, guys, right? If it's going to go, it needs to flush here to the downside here.
Oh, it's going. Don't you worry. It's going. It's about to take out the level at 851, and then we're going to see it come down to 818.
It needs to go now, guys, right? Kind of flirting there. The longer it sits there, that's not good. You could get a yoke right back up here, and they push it the opposite direction. So hasn't really been ideal for breakouts. So it needs to kind of pick up steam here. You got room down here to 813 or lower, I think, if they really get it going. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that bottom. I don't like that bottom wick, guys.
I'm going to hold it. I might hold it all the way into MOC today.
Yeah, I don't like it. Simple as that, chat. Kind of feel like it should have went already with that bottom wick, right? So if you look at the 5-minute candle, I'll give it a second and I'll probably chop. Yeah. See, like, this is what we're battling, guys, on the 30-minute chart. See that bottom wick being put in? That's not bearish. That's bullish, guys. I'm going to chop it. I don't like that trade. All right, I'm out. So Denny's holding. He's still short. Your entry was what, 870?
870, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if it starts to kind of break down again, I could always look to re-enter, guys. But I just, you know, this is we're right off the ORB low here, and it's getting some kind of push, so I chopped it.
As long as we stay below the VWAP, I'm gonna stay in this short.
Where's the VWAP?
850 or 870 on the 5-minute candle. It's at 870.
Yeah. Like, you don't like the hesitation, but I mean, it's trying, right? It's trying to go. 30-minute candles bearish, but you got a very small top wick. It hasn't dug into the previous candle wick, and you got all those wicks up there, so that's a little concerning that you got all those wicks at 900. But it's trying to break down. It is breaking down now, back down. Let's see how this 5-minute candle plays out. If it's able to close bearish, maybe another entry is in store for Dmoney, but
He is trying to scare me. That's all it is.
right, trying to scare
But you know, we're cool, we're relaxed over here. We ain't got no sweat going on. We're
I
relaxed. We're chill.
Chat, we're not trying to scare him. He's in if he's in the trade, he's in the trade. I mean, simple as that. I'm just looking at the levels that are here. If it flushes, it flushes, right? To be honest, if it flushes, I'm looking for another short. So I'm not trying to scare him at all, because I could be looking for another entry. But the 1 hour candle it is heavy. It's 333. You got MOC at 350.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Finally broke below on the 1
Yeah,
minute
it just
time
broke
frame.
it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I might be looking now.
No. You stay over there.
Buddy.
Stay out of your trade.
Buddy,
Let
calm
me
down.
win. Let me come back.
You can come
Come
back all
back
you
of the
want, but you still
century.
got 2 days left. it doesn't matter. Buddy. We still got 2 days left, sir. We'll see, guys. You got 24 seconds. Will they get below the ORB?
It's at full port, Denny. You can only go 2 cons.
He's
so-
already full port.
Yeah.
He's full port at every trade.
You can only go 2 cons. And push right back up. God, I love that.
Where's your stop?
My
900?
stop is at 890. But like I said, if it gets above the 870s, I'll be getting out.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I just don't like the wicks myself. It just sucks that we don't. Like, this was a bounce area, guys. So I don't know. We'll see. Honestly, maybe even a 1 hour window. Fun, John.
Someone said Trump's talking right now.
Man, what's new though? Chat, that's every day that we got the afternoon show. Trump has a lot to say.
He's not talking. He talked 6 hours ago.
Are you on White House Live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At this point, I might as well hold it for MOC. We only got 14 minutes left before it opens.
Sean said he's getting a bit nervous. What are you getting nervous for? If you haven't already, guys, do us a solid. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. So you got 40% off TPT right now. All accounts, no activation fee. So it's looking like it wants to roll. You got a long top wick again on the current candle.
Said take profit. No, we hold. We're holding it here. Break this low here and keep going.
Yeah, I mean, it would be appetizing if we lose that ORB, guys, and kind of flush lower, right? That would be appetizing probably towards the 200 EMA, 830 or so.
Will it make you win? Yes. If it comes down to 818, I will be above Dmoney.
But there's two days left, guys. So we're
all I gotta do is hope and pray
we're talking like
more days and not take trades.
Yeah, we're talking like tomorrow, like today is the last day of the competition, chat. So it is not. So I mean, simple as that. I'm being honest, it's not over. So, but he will obviously, he might be in the lead at that point. I think that's what he's getting at.
Just nigga to let go of the 50s. Break below. It did come and take the 851 though, so that level is gone now. I got head marked out. What are you up for today?
Hold on. $553 down.
Down 553.
Yeah.
Right now I'm up 700 in this today. That's not even close to you. I'm still down.
Yeah, but
down.
but it's dropping. I mean, you're looking good on the
short.
The trade, yeah, the trade's holding. So I think no. I mean, you were only down
18.
You were down 1,800. I was down how much?
We
got it there.
So no, I was down 1,800 from you is what I was calculating.
Yeah. So this was today, right? This was the start.
Yeah.
So this was the start of today, chat. Before today. So if you add 550 to that or something for me, so that would be 1,689 plus 550 or so.
It's 21.
Yeah.
And then I was down.
Or 22. So 28.91 minus what? How much you up today?
I'm up 700 in this right now in this trade.
I think we're about even.
If I close right now, we're even.
I think we're about even, yeah. We got to get short here, guys. We're not gonna let Denny. We're not gonna let Denny do that, chat. We're not gonna let him catch up here.
He's trying to come back and he doesn't want to let me win. He doesn't want to let me come back and win.
Will we go lower here? We don't know, guys, right? We just got short to put some pressure on Denny Dollar, make you holler.
Now I have to hold. I can't let him come back. Oh, my God.
Got to be careful here, though, chat. Because you're at a 50 EMA, 14 EMA, sorry, on the 1 hour chart. So I do see that, right? Kind of had a reaction off of that level. Looking like it's pushing right back up here. That might have been the, is that it for the short, or do we come down here towards this? Remember, we got the news candle wick, chat, all the way down here at 753. Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm cooking right now. It's $1,100 in this trade. You're in two cons? No! Come on now. Man's trying to come back.
Oh, buddy. You got 10 points there, guys.
Yeah, I'm closing that. That's $1,200 made. I'll take it. I'm out on that. That puts me up $1,400 for today.
Getting a pullback here.
It's because I got out.
Yeah, you got to watch this level, guys. Got a long wick. Not good, right? You had about 10 points. 1 hour chart looks bearish.
Re-enter? Nah, I'm
got
not.
15 minutes left on the 1 hour candle, so you're probably going to get a pullback here. Not good at all, right?
Oh my God. Denny do nothing. Yeah, I'm not doing. I got out at the perfect time.
What's your balance right now?
23,414. What was yours?
23,414. If Denny's up, guys, he's probably up $200 or $300 right now. Just a heads up. So it's not it's not anything crazy. So because he had a yeah, we'll chop it. He had a deficit kind of coming in. That's gonna well, I mean, we'll find out right now. So you're at what?
23,414.
You're up how much today, though? What's your P&L?
1305.
So you're down 1586. That's how you do it. So, and then 1689. Let's see. Let me go to the...
No, I'm out, Fonjon.
And it's looking like there's more.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. What I say? You're down how much?
15. I think you said 1586.
Yeah. Denny's up. He's up. I think 1,000 guys. He's up about $1,000. So.
Oh man.
Overall, so we're both negative, but he's up $1,000. That's what it looks like. So. And you're gonna get the continuation move here to the downside.
Yeah, it's coming back.
So we will see, guys. You got MOC. Did I drop the poll or did I not drop it?
No, you know what's
go
funny?
on tilt.
You know what's
funny?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not gonna go on tilt, guys. You got 2 days left to trade, so there's no need to go on tilt when you're down $1,000.
Yeah, I would say $1,000 is not hard to come back.
So not in 2 days, guys. That's 2 $500 trades. So not gonna go on tilt for that. Hold on 1 second.
Dmoney trying to trick you into holding this. I'm not in it no more. I already got out, Fonjon. I got out when I was up to $1,100. How you both negative? Everyone seems you're doing good. Have you not seen the market the past couple of days?
Yeah, yeah, that's the thing, guys. We're not celebrating that because I mean we're both still negative.
We're not happy that we're negative in the account.
It's
but
not even a.
Hey, if I'm winning against them, I'm not as down as much. I'm going to celebrate that.
So,
but it's just for fun, guys. It's just for fun. Yeah, we are trading power hour. It's very, very rough.
Dmoney nervous though, got his leg shaking. Yeah, why are you looking at another man's leg, Alex? Why are you trying to, like, what do you, Alex? We're gonna give you a timeout. We know you, sir. We're very familiar with your body of work in the chat, Alex. So we will definitely give you, sir, a timeout here. Very strange that you felt the need to make that comment, but don't you worry, sir. We got you covered.
I feel like this is pushing up just to tank at MOC.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if I'll touch MOC or not. Get your vote in, guys, for MOC here. You got a few seconds. I got to finalize it. Kind of dropped that kind of late. Apologize for that. But you got 179 votes so far. 39% feel like we're going to pump. 38% feel like we're going to dump. 22% flip a coin. So let's see how this rolls.
Oh, no, I might try a short.
I think for me, guys, I would have to have an order in. I might try something different, chat. Right? And have an order in maybe for a short. So if it activates it, then you're in. If not, then you're not going to touch it to the downside here.
I'm not going to give it much room, but I do think I'm going to try a short.
You got 3 seconds, guys.
Oh my God.
Sounds like Denny's in a short.
Ah!
860. So
what did I tell you?
He caught a trade. He sounds like he caught a short, chat. How many points
I
did you
made $500 on that. So it was,
man, I thought you made more than that.
No, what? It didn't even move that much.
Oh,
it didn't even move that much.
Denny with the $500 there. Played the MOC trade.
I did. Nah, I wish if I would have continued holding it, it would have been out at 850 because I got in at 860 or 866.
Yeah.
And I put my TP at 850, but I saw $550. I said, nah, I'm out. I was like, I'm not letting this come back up.
Yeah, is that the retracement, guys, for the melt off here? To the downside, right? 29,000. Yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like. She gone.
Damn, I should have held.
She gone. They're gonna melt. Chat. Are they gonna melt this thing down to 774 in the last
oh man,
10 minutes, man? And we've had consolidation all day, literally all day. Wow.
Went all the way back down to the 40s.
It's crazy, man.
It was a nice short. I appreciate it. We try around here.
I mean, you're getting the flush McGush here, guys. Will it continue to the downside? And then all of a sudden, that low down there, basically the level we're kind of talking about is the CPI low, the CPI print. Or a pop at 4 p.m., Tim. Yeah. Oh, man, when you're right, you're right. I could go either way. Because we've seen the trickery, right? So, I don't know. Oh, sorry, guys. I didn't finalize that poll. I kind of read the results to you guys, though, right? So you had it there, 41%. Interestingly enough, 41% felt like we were going to drop in the chat. Push right back up here. Kind of chop suey, right? So if you missed that, you're probably kind of hating life. Somebody said they're trying to long. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to lock out until tomorrow on this account, right? You locking out too?
Yeah, I'm locking out.
Yeah, I'm locking out, guys, until tomorrow. Because tomorrow's another day, chat. 3 o'clock, Denny?
Yep, 3
p.m. All right.
Hang on, let me see it, sir. Sir, you made me show it yesterday on the screen. Let's see it.
I mean, sir, we don't have an issue showing you that is locked out here. Let me go to the screen here. Oh, you're probably not gonna see the. How do you show the?
No, it's because your buttons are already grayed out, so that means you can't trade.
Yeah. So I'm locked out there, guys. Right, I'm not gonna do anything there. Denny will probably be up. I mean, I don't know. I would guess 1,500 or so, or something. Tomorrow's another day, and he's on the screen. So we love that because Dmoney's gonna go hard in the paint tomorrow. Chat, make no mistake about it. So he's on the screen. Denny will be running the stream tomorrow, so it's gonna be very interesting. Looking forward to it, chat. We got 2 days to kind of battle this thing out. He'll definitely be in the lead today. So
look at that.
Shout out.
What
to
is that? Why do we get this kind of volatility at the end of the stream?
You know where it's headed?
It's going down
to 750.
Well, I mean, my next level would be 818, where those.
I think.
What is this? The
Newswick, bro. I think it's coming to the Newswick.
1130, 1140, and 1145. Those bottom wicks there. You think it's going to come all the way down to 750?
I feel like they've been propping it all day. We've had nothing but consolidation all day. So there's nothing, right? It's kind of like they propped it up and then they'll drop. We've seen this so much in the afternoon session. Like they prop it up all day and then I might even try a short here, guys. I'm looking on my Lucid account. Obviously that competition account is locked out. So thinking about a short here, trying to ride it. Yeah, I think if it loses 825, you might have more in the tank here. So I'm kind of watching. I feel like they're going to flush this thing through the floor, chat, to 750 or lower. Just got a feeling, right, that it's coming. So, let me flip over here. Give me 1 second, guys. Kind of heavy 5-minute candle. You got 3 minutes left.
You think it's going to get there before 4?
Well, the problem is that you get craziness at 4. We've had it where it gives you a 100-point drop at 4. It just depends. Like it's like crazy, man, because they propped it up all day, right? So you know that it's like just to kind of mess with people, and then they give you a crazy flush. CPI low 750, 29,750. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? That would be the area that could be an area of interest. I mean, tomorrow, to Denny's point, you got what is it? PPI.
Yeah, we got PPI tomorrow, and then I want to say we had. Let me go back here. We also have retail sales. Yeah, retail sales tomorrow.
You don't want this kind of whipsaw price action, though. This random volatility cooks you way worse than chop. Oh, without a doubt. Without a doubt. So, right back up there. That's not kind of like what I was looking for, guys, right? But you got 2 minutes left on the candle. It's almost 4 o'clock. Kind of saw it's been doing these kind of patterns where it pushes up, retraces,
and then right back down.
So you would think that so is that going to continue now? You get another 5-minute candle push up, form a top wick, and then reject off. You in a short?
looking at something from Alex.
Please, guys, help me with $5K to buy food. Yeah.
5K. Good God.
Unreal.
Hey, he can. We can ban him. He's not getting nothing here.
Will there be a rematch between you and Danny? We don't have a Danny here, so we're not sure who you're referring to.
God, everybody call me that. Why?
Denny Dollars, you're saying? Yeah, probably at some point. Denny, chat. Denny wore his LeBrons today, and he made it known. He wanted me to know that those were the LeBron James that he was gonna wear, chat, when we played the basketball game. Can you believe that, guys? That these were the LeBrons that he was gonna wear to play me in the basketball game. It didn't matter because he still got destroyed 5-2. So he had to pay for the prime 112. So I told him, never fear, don't worry about getting those shoes dirty, sir. It's not worth it, right? You're gonna catch the L. But we will definitely get a rematch at some point.
Look at that, right back up.
Yeah, man, you can't. I don't even want the right. That's not. And do we get back up here to the 14,868 or higher? So he should have wore those when he played you and lost. He would have been crying just like LeBron. Oh, man. Are those 6.5? Yeah, those are. What size are those, sir?
These are a size. Guys, I went to. The only reason I got these is because they look nice and they were really cheap, but I'm not a fan of LeBron. These are 8.5.
Denny's rocking the 8.5, chat, and I got a funny feeling. I gotta say it, chat. There is a lot of room in those shoes. He took them off. They're not, no problem at all. So that tells me that Denny wears probably a size 7.5 to 8.
They're not tied,
sir.
Oh
sir,
my God,
sir, you wear a 7.5 to an 8.
No, I don't.
Don't do it. Don't do it to the chat.
No.
Oh man, somebody said 3 pairs of socks. That is correct, Amando. So
chat.
There it is.
Today.
He is stuffing those shoes. Yeah, something's a little. Did you see how quick he took them off, chat? There was no hesitation.
You know all the giveaways we were gonna do on Friday? Y'all ain't getting nothing now. Nothing. And Dmoney, you're getting exposed. All those pictures are going on the internet now. Want to talk about my shoe size?
Oh man. 3 pairs of Christmas socks. Oh, you gotta love it, guys. Oh man, if you haven't already, do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. We out here trying to make a little money. We appreciate the support, chat, in the midst of the choppiness, right? So it's been kind of interesting kind of price action, to be honest, since market open today. So we had some momentum pushes basically, and then price literally kind of gave us all of this nastiness over here to the left on the chart, right? So I mean that is literally we literally went nowhere, guys. So it's crazy.
I mean, it looked like it was going to go down to the 818s and at least take the lows to the left. And it really said psych. We can't, I mean, we already talked about his hairline. I mean, can't go too many times about it.
Yeah, Terrell, whoa, Terrell, let's check your channel activity, sir. Let's go to your channel, see what you got going on. Yeah, you don't have anything there, Terrell 216, and that is very concerning because you're hiding something, Terrell, right? So, Dmoney's been doing this long enough to know if you don't have a user, if you don't have a picture, right, and I go to your YouTube page and you don't have anything there from a picture standpoint, that is very strange, Terrell 216. So I'll tell you what we'll do for you, since you felt the need to kind of get into the conversation here. We will grant you a timeout. We're not gonna. We know you're probably gonna rock out with Denny's show at 5:45.
Oh, you know it.
So we'll give you a 10-minute timeout. You can't come back until that starts. There it is, because we'll make sure we end this show in less than 10 minutes. There it is. Oh, man. Do better. Do better, Terrell 216.
Don't worry, Terrell. I'll unban you. Don't you worry. He can't keep you banned forever.
Oh, man. The build-up for the timeouts always gets me. Oh, well. All right, so the reality is, guys, you got Denny Dollars rocking out here at 545. And looks like Denny is currently in the lead. We got 2 days left. We got 2 days left for the competition. Look at Denny's smiling, chat. He's so happy that he's in the lead of the competition.
Because I was
here.
down 2K from you.
So he is ecstatic, guys. But you know, it's not how you one day, right? This is day number 3. So tomorrow you got day number 4 and 5, obviously, chat. So we'll be back. Make sure, we hope that you had fun, that you enjoyed the stream and the banter back and forth. Look at the pop here.
Yeah, straight right back up to the 90s. I'm so glad it's locking out at 4.
Man, it's crazy, man. Look at that pop here, chat. Biggest move that we've had since market open here. Unreal. Right back up. Didn't I talk about that, chat? That 4 o'clock, like they give you the bazooka. Man.
Say I wasn't using risk management. Oh, what are you talking about? I had a TP for 818, and then I had a stop loss for 890. It almost got down to the 818. I just decided to take it early.
Yeah, Denny's going full DJ mode, guys, because he was down.
Whoa.
So it is what it is,
man.
right? It's he's within the rules of the competition. So, but you know, it is what it is.
Stop loss is being used.
He had a good trade. Yeah, but you don't even have to use. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, Chad, the profit is profit at the end of the day. So you got to give him props for that. He had a trade, a good trade there. So simple as that. But tomorrow's another day, and he will be running the controls here, and we will make sure that we try to go willy-nilly, if you know what I mean. So. He gambled MOC. Yeah, should we take MOC? Should MOC be out of the competition, guys? That is the question, right? Because it is a little strange that Denny's literally that 350 time. It doesn't matter what he's literally trying to go in at 350 for the momentum trade to kind of save the day. He's done that a couple times.
Everybody knows. Everybody has heard it before.
He has done that a couple times, Chad.
Hang on. Everybody has been told before. Dmoney even called it out. Someone in the chat called it out. You look at the 930 candle. 80. Well, I won't give a percentage. I won't give a percentage, but
we told you that, sir.
Yeah, you did tell me that. You can't get mad at me for using it.
But the thing is that is a little. Is that concerning? We'll let the chat decide tomorrow. We'll let you guys. You guys sleep on that.
No.
You guys sleep on it and let us know. I don't care either way, guys. I'm just having fun with Denny in the chat, so that's it. So, but. We hope you liked the stream. We will be back tomorrow rocking out 2 to 4. You got Denny Dollars coming up here at 5:45. Obviously, I'll be rocking out 9 to 12:30 in the morning, chat. So, Prime 112 on Dmoney.
Oh, yeah.
We got 2 days. Jesse, calm down. We got 2 days left. We will see. Denny was literally down, I think, more than what I'm down right now going into the session, sir. So that kind of tells you that anything's possible. But it's still early. We will see. Either way, you get Prime 112. That's a win-win. Oh, yeah. We got to go. I mean, maybe, or somewhere else.
No. I've been wanting to go Prime 112 every single weekend. I've wanted to go.
I thought you ended up
No, we didn't get to go.
Oh, okay.
They were wanting to go to the Brazilian steakhouse instead.
All right, well, sounds like Prime 112 is on the table, chat. So there it is. Dmoney and Denny together, very fun show. Hey, we appreciate the kind words. We definitely try around here. So I'm very interested to see what happens next week, chat, because, you know, like I said, you know, Dmoney is going to be out of commission from a stream standpoint, but I will be creating content, and then we will be enjoying some festivities and whatnot. So, but, you know, if Denny drops that, somebody's going to let me know, and I'm very prepared to react.
No one's letting you know. No one's a snitch here.
Well, sir, you'll be surprised.
And you don't watch the Asia stream,
sir.
We ain't got anything to worry about.
Sir, I get DMs on the daily, sir.
Sir,
so
do you forget I watch your stream?
Sir,
I
you
will
can watch
make
it all
sure
you want,
as
sir.
soon as someone tries to snitch, blocked.
You can't stop them from sending me a DM. So, where can I see the competition? Yeah, you can log into the Legends.
I don't think it's updated yet, though.
Yeah, it's probably not updated yet, but you're able to log in to Legends trading. So the legendstrading.com, left hand side of the screen, click on dashboard and you'll see. So this is not updated, chat. That's what Denny was just saying.
What is up with these weird comments?
So, but left hand side of the screen, you'll have like dashboard, accounts, and all that. You click on tournaments, and then you'll see us up top there. There it is, right? And then click on view leaderboard. Right, so there it is. We appreciate the support, guys. Did we get to 1,000 likes?
No, we're at 690.
Oh my goodness,
we're lacking. I'm very disappointed right now.
Yeah, guys, do us a solid, hit the like button. We had 1,000 likes yesterday, so if you haven't already, do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. We appreciate the support as well. Then you'll be back at 5:45. I'll be back in the morning, guys, at 9 o'clock. So until then, be safe, be smart, and we will catch you on the next stream. We gone.